Hey, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Today I'm gonna make a top hat. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, because there'll be more. And this top hat is for a wedding. Guess whose wedding it is? Then you have to stay tuned to check out my next video and see whose wedding needed a top hat. So now I'm using a cotton yarn. Actually I made one from black color yarn, which looks more like a top hat, but black color is kind of hard to see on video. So now I'm going to use a brown color, and I'm going to use a 3mm hook. Okay, we're going to start by making a magic ring. If you're not sure how to make a magic ring, or single crochet or double crochet, you can refer to my basic videos. I have a set of basic videos. Okay, inside this magic ring we're going to make 6 single crochet. Okay, 6 single crochet. I'm gonna pull it tight. I normally will get a marker just in case. So now we're gonna do 2 single crochet in each, meaning an increase. So just now we have 6, so now we're gonna do increase for all. Means we're gonna get 12 stitches all around. Two single crochet in each stitch. Next, we're gonna do 1 single crochet in the next 3, followed by an increase. Means we're gonna do single crochet in the first 3. 1, just now we had 1, now 2, 3, and followed by an increase. And this round you should have 15 single crochet 15 stitches all around. So I'm gonna pull this tighter, seal the hole, and now we're gonna do single crochet only on the back loop. If you notice this, you have a V shape here. We're only going to use the back loop. This is the back loop, this is the front loop. So we're going to do single crochet only on the back loop. Don't forget to add your marker just in case. Oh, okay, sometimes you notice this. So you have to check the front and the back while you're crocheting. That at least you know if you have missed out one strand just behind all the lower part, that will not make it look nice anymore. Only on the back loop. Okay, your head should hold this way. Okay, the back loop is gonna make it go down. You see? So this is the top of the hat. So now from row 5 to row 8, you're gonna do single crochet all around. So all in, you're gonna get 15 stitches. You just do single crochet in both loops. From row 5 until row 8. I'll come back to you once I'm at the end of row 8. Okay, I did 5, 6, 7, 8. Normally this is how I mark the rows. Since it's all single crochet, I could get lost. I could miscount. Okay, now we're gonna do increase only on the front loop. Just now we did on the back loop. This one is the back loop. This one is the front loop here. Now we only work on the front loop. We're gonna do increase. Single crochet increase means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Oh, remember, just only on the front loop. Okay, I've come to the end of the row. I will connect it to the first one with a slip stitch, and then now it's up to you whether you're going to leave a long tail for sewing to sew it onto your amigurumi, or you can cut it short and hide your yarn inside here. Even the tail, I hide it inside here because I plan to sew it on my amigurumi. So this is how the top hat will look like. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.